another daily plyometric video. First things first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been showing. A lot of you guys have been coming from Instagram, the members chat. A lot of you guys have been coming from TikTok, and a lot of you guys have found me on YouTube. So, as you know, we do daily plyometric leg workouts. My name is Jamal Harris. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Ayo'Jamal and follow me on TikTok at Ayo'Jamal. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video. If you're back for that daily work, comment down fire emojis right now. So, without further ado, we're gonna get into it. So, first things first, we're gonna start off with a plyometric warm-up. We're gonna go back and forth, line jumps, and we go front and back line jumps. We got 25 apiece. So, we're gonna start side to side first for you guys. Ready? Let's get it. Now we're gonna go front and back. Same thing, consistent, bouncing up and down. Next, we have penultimate steps. We have left, right, left, explode up, and then we want to go through a series of left, right, explode, and then we're going to end the series on straight up and down, exploding. So, I'm going to take you through a series. We're going to do 12 apiece. So 12 left, right, 12 right, left, and 12 straight up and down. So let's get into it. We're going to go right, left first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we're going straight into left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Woo. take you a short break. So we have one more set. Last set, we have in place, up and down, set of 12. Whew. Give yourself a break in between reps. You know what I'm saying? Whew. Let's get it. We got 12. Straight up and down. Next thing we're gonna do, let's finish out with lunges. We got 15 apiece. 15 on the right leg, 15 on the left leg. So, let's get into it. Take a break. One more set of 15. On to the next.
What's good, YouTube? We back at it again with another video. So we be going in Target and picking up some white beaters. The beaters, man. Look at my go with these. So we made it back to the crib, man. Y'all make sure y'all tap into the YouTube channel, man. As y'all can see, we uploading right now daily plyometric workouts, man. Y'all make sure y'all go tap in. We made it back to the crib. I'm gonna tap in with y'all on the next clip.